Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a crispy lemon bread fry, a quick and tasty snack using simple ingredients. Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Here I have 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 glass of milk, 1/4 glass of warm milk, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of glue band of Prestige, 3 eggs, lemon zest, slices of bread, so I mix my Prestige in warm milk in order to dissolve. In a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, then 1/2 tablespoon of salt. This balances the flavor. Then lemon zest for that fresh and citrus taste. Mix very well to combine. Mix Prestige and warm milk very well to combine. Now break in the 3 eggs. Whisk them well to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then pour in our warm milk. Mix well to combine. Let it rest for 3 minutes so that the flour absorbs the liquid. In a pan, heat some oil. Next, dip your bread slices in the mixture, making sure both sides are well coated. Repeat the same until all slices are done. Add slices into hot oil. Fry on medium flame until golden and crispy. Medium flame heat helps it to cook evenly. Now see how golden it has turned out. And that is it. Your crispy lemon bread fry is ready. Soft inside, crispy outside, and full of flavor. Perfect for breakfast or evening tea. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye bye. See you on Sunday 5:30 p.m.